I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
I promise to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
This is not just the story of a marriage.
I have the best wife in the world. And you deserve the best husband.
This is not just the story of an affair.
Han?
I know it's wrong.
Wrong. Mali? Nung nagawa mo akong lokohin, yun ang mali. Pero parang ulitin mo, hindi na yun mali. May sakit ka na.
This is the story of a woman torn between holding on and letting go.
Why do men cheat?
Hindi lahat ng lalaki manloloko at hindi lahat ng babae faithful.
I want you to be happy. Hindi mo na alam kung gaano mo ako napapasaya.
Ang ganda!
Sobra. Ilang sorry ba ang kailangan kong ibigay para mapatawad niya ako?
Di ba ikaw na mismo nagsabi na hanggat nasasaktan ka pa, mahirap magpatawad?
What will it take to forgive the one who hurts you over and over again?
He hurt you not because he didn't love you. You have to be stronger.
Alam mo, mabuti pa, makipaghiwalay ka na lang. Kasi kung hindi mo naman maibibigay sa kanya ang tiwala, bakit pa kayo kasal?
Maybe he cheated on you because you weren't good as a wife.
Someday, someone's gonna
Star Cinema proudly brings Ding Dong Dantes.
I had to love someone else. Someone who saw me and not my sin.
Paolo Abilino
Mahal kita.
But you don't seem to love me.
and Angelica Panganiban.
I'm sorry.
Sorry? Yung sorry ba sa'yo isang lisensya? Para paulit-ulit mo na akong lokohin? Ganun ba yun?
Ano ba kailangan mo sa asawa ko?
Wala kang pakialam. Mahal ko siya. Mahal ko siya.
How does a married woman become an unmarried wife? A film by Mario J. de los Reyes. November 16 in cinemas nationwide.